What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another one of these amazing precious metals videos. So, about a week and a half ago, before spot rose to, I don't know, what's it at today? $22, $23. It was up as high as 26 at one point, US dollars. I picked up on Silver Gold Bull, they had a 10-ounce bar at spot. So it was a really good deal. It's up about at least $100 from where I bought it from today, so definitely worthwhile. There's no premium, just at spot. So I want to showcase it. I just got it. I picked it up yesterday. If you like these videos, subscribe to this channel, like the video, and check out my website, myroadtowealthandfreedom.com. The link will be in the description. So this is what it looks like. At the top there, you got the silver gold bull. You got the bull, charging bull. It's actually a really beautiful bar. It's my first 10-ounce bar. Usually I get these like 1-ounce maples, or I can show you one of these. These are the generic Aztec rounds. Usually almost all my silver, actually I think all of my silver is just 1 ounce or under. Never did take the leap to get a big 10-ounce bar. It's actually pretty good though. It's pretty hefty too. It's pretty thick. I'll show. I don't know if this is a good comparison, but you can kind of see the thickness versus a silver Canadian maple. It's pretty thick, pretty hefty on the back. I love it. The back is my favorite part. It has all these bulls that are just kind of in the background. You got the giant bull, and up at the top right corner it says build your wealth in ounces. Build your wealth in ounces. Now on my blog I always talk about ways to build wealth. You know, I've had rental properties and dividend stocks, index funds, you name it, and coins, gold and silver, and that as well, precious metals. But at this particular time, more than other times, I think building our wealth in ounces is really important. With all that's going on in the world, all the uncertainty, it's definitely something that you want to hang on to, have a little bit of a hedge. Like virtually nobody has these things. No one's collecting gold and silver, or very few people anyway. And I'm not even sure, like, you know, now that silver's taken off, it's above 20 US dollars. I'm just going to wait. The economy's going to sink. I'm not sure what silver's going to do. It's already had a big move. It's probably due for a significant pullback. I don't know. I'm not an expert. I'm not a financial guru. So I just talk about this stuff for entertainment purposes. So don't take anything as I say as financial advice by any means. But I don't know. Like, you gotta kind of wonder what's going to happen. You know, 2008, they printed all that money. They never did pay it off. They even got more into it. And now we're in the US dollar sinking because of poor economic prospects, the surge in the virus and whatnot. It's right now things are really uncertain. So I don't know. I don't want to strike fear into everybody, because I still think, you know, certain stocks are good value. Watching real estate very closely. I know condo prices in major cities are collapsing. You know, there's probably going to be possibly a banking crisis. I'm not sure. But for the astute investor, somebody who has a little bit of fiat cash on hand, maybe some precious metals like gold and silver, you know, there's going to be opportunities where you may want to cash out of gold and silver and jump into real estate. Cash out of gold and silver, not completely cash out, but, you know, you might have to rebalance and into stocks. If bond yields go soaring like they did in the early 1980s, I would happily park my money in the bank and make 15-20% interest on it versus taking huge risks in the stock market, real estate market, or even in the precious metals. You want to kind of do things against the crowd. Do invest in things that nobody's buying, nobody's getting into. Now, right now, precious metals are starting to take off. I'm just waiting for these TikTok guys to start dancing around with their gold and silver and stuff like that. Millennials are jumping in, the Robinhood traders. They might jump onto some gold shares and stuff. I'm not sure how much more physical I'm going to buy. If it takes a big dip, I might try to pick up a few more of these 10-ounce bars. Like I said, I'm not a huge silver bug by any means, but I don't know. I like to think that I recognize value when I see it and take advantage of it. That's basically what investing's all about. And on that note, I haven't taken value on this though. Silver's had a nice run. I love silver and gold. It is a small portion of my net worth, overall net worth, and a small portion of my overall financial assets. But it's definitely worth holding as a hedge in uncertain times. And by uncertain times, it's not just the economy and stock market and stuff it's important. Like, currencies, the currency market, the bond market, it's like every market. But what I'm really concerned about will be the topic of an upcoming video. It has to do with taxes and all of these new wealth tax, estate taxes, and all this stuff. I want to talk about this stuff. It's not just a problem for Americans, Canadians, Brits, Australians. It's, all of this debt eventually will have to be repaid or revalued, and it's going to be the investor that takes it on the chin. So I recently picked up at almost a record high for gold prices, 1 more ounce. And it's not a gold maple like this one here. It is a gold bobcat. It's 5.9 fine gold. Comes with an assay card by the Royal Canadian Mint. And I actually bought it for cheaper than you would buy one of these 1 ounce Canadian maples. It was ridiculous, the discount on that coin. If you're unfamiliar with it, those coins typically typically sell for a bit of a premium. I wrote a blog post on this, top 10 gold bullion coins. And the Canadian maple was number 1. And at number 10 was that 5.9 gold. And I said, it's just not worth paying the premium over the maple. But check out that blog post. It's on myroadtowealthandfreedom.com. It's just on the home page. You can click on it from there. I usually have like my last 10 articles there. So anyways, check it out and stay tuned for my upcoming video. Why precious metals may help us and save us from the sticky government fingers and the tax man. It's real and it's getting realer by the day. I just can't believe all the crap that in Canada in particular that we're talking about. But my American friends, watch out. It looks like the Democrats might sweep both houses, and the Democrats might sweep Congress and the presidency. In which case, we're going to all be in some serious trouble, I think. Stay tuned for that video. Take care, guys.